Injured workers often wonder, can my weekly workers' compensation benefits still stop without notice? The answer to that question is yes. The insurance company can stop your checks for any reason or no reason whatsoever. However, there are legal requirements they're supposed to follow, which often they ignore. There are some circumstances where they are required to provide you with what's called an auxiliary notice, but oftentimes they don't do that. One of the circumstances where they will almost for sure stop your weekly benefits is if you return to work and are making the same or more money. In other circumstances, they may stop your benefits if, for example, you are released to return with restrictions and you fail to report. In those circumstances, oftentimes your benefits will be forfeited, not just delayed. So it is very important, if you are released to return to work with or without restrictions, that you contact your employer right away and offer yourself to work. Also, I would suggest that you put this in writing, whether that's an email or if your employer has a portal system. It's best to document that you have told the employer, I'm ready, willing, and able to work. What can you do about it? Well, number one, if they've improperly stopped your benefits, a qualified workers' compensation attorney may be able to get those benefits started again. If they have a legal reason to stop your benefits, then there may be nothing you can do. But the only way to find out if the reason they stopped your benefits is valid is by contacting a qualified workers' compensation attorney. We're happy to talk to you about these cases. Feel free to give us a call at 641-792-3595. One of our qualified workers' compensation attorneys would be happy to discuss this with you at no cost or risk, answer your questions, and explain what we may or may not be able to do to get your check started again.